Hello everyone, today's lesson is about possession and pronouns. This is my video. That's your garden. This is our English lesson. The highlighted words are possessive determiners. They are used to express possession. Take a look at this table. On the left, you have subject pronouns, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. And on the right, we have possessive determiners, my, your, our, their, his, her, and its. Remember that we use the subject pronoun it to refer to animals and objects. This cat is my cat. It likes its new house. Now the possessive case. Instead of saying, this is the book of Emma, we say, this is Emma's book. Let's do the following ones together. The pen of my friend. My friend's pen. Excellent. The car of my mom. My mom's car. We use whose to ask about possession. For example, Jeremy, whose watch is this? Oh, it's mine. Now the possessive pronouns. They are also used to indicate possession, but they come as a nominal group after the verb and at the end of the sentence. For example, it's my book, so it's mine. It's their perfumes, it's theirs. Take a look. On the left, we have possessive determiners, and on the right, we have possessive pronouns. My becomes mine. Your becomes yours. His stays his. Her becomes hers. Its stays its. Our becomes ours. And their becomes theirs. You already know what subject pronouns are. So what are the object pronouns? Take a look. I becomes me. You stays you. We becomes us. They becomes them. He becomes him. She becomes her. And it stays it. Object pronouns always come after the verb. For example, your brother is stuck, so you must help him. At last, we have the reflexive pronouns. They are used when the subject and the object or the person are the same. Take a look. On the left we have subject pronouns, and on the right we have reflexive pronouns. I, myself. You, yourself. We, ourselves. They, themselves. He, himself. She, herself. And it, itself. Drew, you don't need to help your sister. She can do it herself. Oh, it's a mirror. I'm looking at myself. So we have come to the end of this video. If you understood the lesson, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!